Dubai's heavy storm leaves supercars and luxury vehicles submerged. Dubai, a city synonymous with luxury and opulence, witnessed an unexpected turn of events as heavy storms wreaked havoc, leaving streets flooded and countless supercars and luxury vehicles stranded or submerged. The deluge turned parts of the city into a scene of chaos, with images of drenched Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Bentleys making rounds on social media. The storm's impact unprecedented rainfall. The storm brought record-breaking rainfall to the desert metropolis, overwhelming drainage systems and causing flash floods across key areas. Luxury cars in peril. Many high-end vehicles parked in underground garages or low-lying areas were left submerged, with owners scrambling to salvage their prized possessions. Traffic chaos. Flooded roads brought traffic to a standstill, with some drivers abandoning their vehicles as waters rose rapidly. Viral scenes. Images and videos of luxury cars submerged in water became a hot topic on social media, with hashtags like #Dubai floods and #SUPRCAR disaster trending globally. Clips showed cars like McLarens and Rolls-Royces stuck in waist-high water, highlighting the irony of wealth succumbing to nature's fury. Economic and emotional loss. Financial damage. The cost of repairing or replacing these vehicles is estimated to be in the millions of dollars as insurance claims surge. Emotional impact. For many, these cars represent status and personal achievement, making the loss even more devastating. Authorities and recovery efforts. City's response. Dubai's municipal teams have been working around the clock to pump water from flooded areas and restore normalcy. Improving infrastructure. Critics have called for better drainage and flood management systems to prevent future disasters of this scale. Resilience amid chaos. Despite the destruction, Dubai's residents are showing resilience, with cleanup efforts underway and local mechanics preparing for an influx of vehicles needing repair. This unexpected storm has served as a stark reminder of nature's power and the need for preparedness, even in a city known for its cutting-edge infrastructure. For now, the supercars of Dubai serve as a sobering symbol of how even the world's most luxurious assets can become victims of uncontrollable forces.